Can you make money selling digital clothes? The Metaverse says yes. Imagine stepping into a world where your fashion sense isn't limited to physical clothes. In the Metaverse, digital clothing is not just a trend, it's a booming business. Designers are creating stunning virtual outfits that avatars can wear in online spaces, and savvy entrepreneurs are cashing in. From high-end fashion brands to indie creators, the market is exploding. You can sell everything from virtual sneakers to haute couture dresses, and the demand is skyrocketing. Gamers and social media users are eager to express themselves, and they're willing to pay for unique digital pieces. Plus, with platforms like Decentraland and Roblox, you can showcase your designs to millions. The best part? There are no production costs or shipping hassles, just creativity and a good marketing strategy. So, if you've got an eye for style and a passion for the digital world, the Metaverse is your runway. Embrace it, and you might just find yourself cashing in on this virtual fashion revolution. Looking for more details? Check the link in bio.